How you deal with? From the moment you was dancing in the party, pushing all on me, giving everything, you're giving everything tonight. And if you thought you could get away from me and get away from me, girl, just take your time. You're coming on with me tonight. Down. Cause the mattress is so far away, and my clock is watching, ain't no time to waste. Since my hands already down your waist, you better show me that you want it right away.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this look, and remember I did the video that I did earlier, this collaboration with Originalkellii, and I told you that we were going to do a soft look, and then she would do I would do the glamorous look, or the glamorous colorful spring look, and then she would do the softer look. So today what we're going to do, we're going to like switch. So she's going to do the very bold colorful look, and I'm going to be doing the softer spring glam. Guys, if you like this look, continue watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really enjoy doing this look, and this is my spring look, softer glam. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this look, continue watching and you can see how I got this look.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with this palette, and this is the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm gonna go in with the Jezebel, and I'm using Jezebel as my transition shade. And guys, I was just like feeling myself, you know. So I'm just using this brush, the Zoeva dupe. This is the Beely brush. This is a 231, which is Zoeva dupe. Zoeva 231 brush, you know. It's Beely. And I'm using that now to add Jezebel to my crease, or to my eyes, or my lid. And then I'm gonna go in with this pink shadow from the Zulu palette, and I'm just adding that, taking that to the outer portion of my eyes, and just trying to blend everything. And I kind of, you know, skipped out, you know what I'm saying, because we don't want the video to be super long, because it's not necessary, you know what I'm saying. So yes guys, I don't know, I was just like, I was in a mood, I don't know. But anyway, I'm going in with this pink shade, and this is from the what's the name of this palette again? This is from the Magic palette, and this is Osun. I'm taking Osun all over my eyes, and then I later went in with Zuba, and I added Zuba on top, and then I'm going in with this really hot pink shade from the same Zulu palette. Then I'm gonna go in with this green shade color from the Magic palette. And what's the name of this palette again? Yeah, what's the name of this color? It's that green shade that I just showed you. I don't remember the name of the shadow. And I went in with Faso at the center of the shadow that I add to my lower lid, and I just kind of use it to tame the green shadow, because I didn't really want it to be super green, and it's like really shimmery. So that's what I did. I used the Faso from the Magic palette to just add a little bit in the middle. So as you can see right now, I am using my K palette Real Lasting eye tattoo, and this is, oh my gosh, my holy grail. I love this. It works like a dream. It doesn't what do you say now, it doesn't, like, the ink, it doesn't bleed, so it allows you to get a really precise like line, and it doesn't, like, I've had this for quite some time now, and it hasn't like dried up, so it's very good, and I really love it. And I'm just, you know, trying to do the wing line thingy, trying to be as precise as possible. Yeah, I usually don't do this on camera because I kind of want to be very precise, and sometimes when you're trying to film, it's very difficult to really get the line as sharp as possible. So sometimes I prefer not to, you know, film that, because then, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm just using the liner to just, you know, ensure that the lines are crisp and clean. And yeah, here we are. So I'm gonna go in with the same I'm going in with Osun, and I'm adding Osun to, you know, highlight the inner portions of my eyes. And I'm just taking all of that. I noticed I just added my lashes and, you know, wrapped my head and stuff like that because I pulled my braids out. So I'm adding now my Elf Baked highlighter, and I'm just adding that. And since of lately I haven't been really fascinated with the whole highlighting because my face was going through a little bit of, you know, so it had a little texture, so I didn't want to highlight a lot. But now that my face is coming back to form, I can do my highlighting and so forth. So I'm just adding some of that down my nose bridge, as you can say. Then I'm going in with this now that I got. This is from a set that I got from Forever 21 and brush set, and I'm using that now to just brush my brows so everything is nice and clean. Oh gosh, guys, I haven't done a brow tutorial. And yeah, pretty much this is all we're gonna do. Add in my lip gloss, because I love lip glosses. I don't know, it just makes, the lip gloss just makes like my lip look really nice, like how I like it. And yeah, and guys, this is my finished look. As you can see, just using the lip gloss to just, you know, ensure that my lip is all shiny and looks like as if, you know, I just had chicken. That's it.
Spring Glam, and this is a collaboration with Originalkellii, and I leave her information in the description bar, and also I leave a card, maybe right here, no, right here, and you'll see when I leave the card, so you can check out her look. She's gonna be doing the colorful glam. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys, go and check my sister's channel out. Her name is Anna Bless Beauty Inspiration, Anna K. Williams. I'll leave the information in the description box. Go and check her out. And Little Miss Makeup, go and check my girl out. She's super talented, guys. Go and check out her channel. I'm sure she would definitely appreciate that, and I would too. Big up yourself, Little Miss Makeup. Big up yourself, Lindsay. Big up yourself anywhere you come from, Lindsay.